Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're diving into an in-depth review of one of the newest and most talked about models on the market, the Spintrix. If you're wondering whether this car lives up to the hype, stay tuned, because we're breaking down everything from design to performance and pricing. So, what exactly is the Spintrix? It's a mid-size crossover SUV designed to blend everyday practicality with sporty flair and modern tech. Built by a brand that's been making waves with futuristic aesthetics and value-packed features, the Spintrix is positioned as a direct competitor to popular models like the Toyota RAV4, Honda CR-V, and even the Hyundai Tucson. But it sets itself apart with a bold identity that's hard to ignore. Let's start with the exterior. The Spintrix sports a sleek and aggressive design, with sharp lines running from the headlights to the tail, giving it a dynamic, forward-moving look. The LED headlamps are narrow and angular, framed by a striking light signature that makes the front end look high-end. A large mesh grille with chrome accents adds a touch of ruggedness, while the sloping roofline and pronounced wheel arches give it a sporty stance. It sits on 18 to 20-inch alloy wheels, depending on the trim, and the dual exhaust tips at the rear add a performance vibe. Overall, the exterior punches well above its price bracket in terms of style. Under the hood, the Spintrix offers a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4 engine, producing around 220 horsepower and 260 pound-feet of torque. Paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission and available all-wheel drive, it provides a smooth yet responsive driving experience. Whether you're cruising on the highway or taking on twisty back roads, the Spintrix stays composed. Fuel efficiency is solid too, with an average of 28 mpg combined. There's also a hybrid variant rumored to launch soon, which could make it even more appealing for eco-conscious drivers. Step inside, and you're met with a surprisingly upscale cabin. The interior layout is clean, modern, and tech-focused. A 10.5-inch infotainment touchscreen takes center stage, supporting Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The digital instrument cluster is crisp and customizable, and you get features like wireless charging, a premium audio system, and dual-zone climate control on higher trims. The materials used feel premium, with soft touch surfaces, leather upholstery options, and ambient lighting that gives it a luxurious touch. Passenger space is generous, especially in the rear, and the cargo area is practical with a flat load floor and folding rear seats. Now, let's talk price. The base model of the Spintrix starts at just under $27,000, offering a lot of value right out of the gate. The mid-range trims, which include more tech and AWD, hover around $32,000. If you're eyeing the fully loaded variant with all the bells and whistles, expect to pay close to $38,000. Considering what you get in terms of design, performance, and features, it's competitively priced. So, that's our take on the Spintrix, an SUV that really brings a lot to the table. Let us know in the comments what you think, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching. Let me know if you'd like this tailored to a specific car brand or